That's right, I'll be the announcer. Number 5. Whose toes are those?
Who's out here having dinner? Who could it be? Whose toes are those? Who's that great ape right there? Sue Green.
Blue dude, skip to the good part.
What good part, Marley? Isn't all the good part?
No, it's over here, right here.
Number 4. Monkey spin.
Marley, that's not monkey spin.
Well, you're going too fast. I'm sorry. Forgot to press play.
Number 3.
Go back! I want to be monkey!
Number 2. The tragic death of Unjo Gratis.
Goddamn stupid Wi-Fi.
Piece of shit. You're now crashed.
And number 1. Would you like a little bit of monkey cheese?
What video?
It's right here.
This one?
Would you like a little bit of monkey cheese?
Ho 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 ha ha ho. Ho ha. Go 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 go.